So those are the issues. Now we get this Senate, maybe now we get most probably in the next 1 or 2 weeks. To the county, we can Pinama and Embiro, Osemio. If you watch Mangano, Sipina raise about the Kisii County government. Kwanyako rango sa wasimbandi kirumano. Kwanyako rango musavangi jibes. Kwanyako musavangi kolere favor. None. Ebi ntonkobolia, there are issues pertaining to governance ya Kisii. Governance ye county. A county get set up in a very interesting manner. Yebuate bunekero geligia giakale abasuru kalitu alwe karansere yo mugusi kebuata ma. Keregete. Kobuate senator, watuale governor, watuale women rep. Lakini yesenge jo modernity ere bakarati gawe ke giakane deputy governor no ere, so that the 4 people who were directly responsible. Na mangana yo oborai we county ya Bosongo. Onye anybody, and I want to ask Montonde wensi whatever ngagente kitobuate kere wichante ngano mheshimiwa Simba tokurwani. Let me ask you. Abanyagita ali bangaka ere simikuru Bosongo batevire insurance tiko korana bakoli Mirobe county. Nkingwene takokora. Abakoli emeremo right now abakoli emeremo ba ruete Kisii County Council in 2011 2012 bagaje bagasoe county government abande mbanya ko ba confirmed. Babe kwege ndugero IPPD yani mbanya ko beko ese payroll here county for the last 12 years. Should I ask? Igobono ngabanangurwana. Ekerenko bolinga buzingi tototwarete budget. Mbwate pakali rube bali igete. Bago apologize which is somong na nyakango. Baga nga tuabere nga ntua manye tengi tuale wakora mabono ga yegente gito bazuko geirande. What guarantee do I have nga mambi the same thing is not going to happen? Because any time anybody ago chenchie budget it means nechivesa batagete kokora ki koiba. Nkingwene to kubolia. Nki to kwenda kubolia ebi ndeki kubolia. Igongwe to kubolia matanga. Senate ngo bibolia. Kago chese senate kago ikaransororo ebintu biriararo ratagete ko kole senate. Are you with me? Amaswali ali agotoleta kata na rojo koligere. Kuna chivesi county go chigutumeka inche igongeire gasie okole gasio oversight ye Kisii County government. A responsibility anegere number 1 ndu siveza Nairobi. Kuna bono we are pushing to target the county government chivesi chike 415 billion. Chibese icho ekiagusi inchire ime. De wana ine. Chibese ekiagusi right now onye buna kwaro lile mwaro lile mwezi report chio auditor general amone chi report chia control of budget. Kisii County government te wati the absorption capacity ese chibese chiroro chigutumika chikonya abantu aba contractors bakanwe abakolimero mu county bakanwe everybody else who claim wa chibese chi county agone to kokora kwakano. Ingi abantu bataiwakane. Should yani tingwende tukuboli swali so that yo mundante ebinga bono ne bitina mbwate bitina onye ndiyo akandeta abantu bitina kingutwa onye ko kole account ya obya account ye libosongo ya tumire chisiringirenga about 26 million shillings cho kwa renovation ya obisi governor tanya ko so obisi for the last how many for the last 1.5 years. Shouldn't I ask him what is the problem? Why do people think that is witch hunt? I'm asking for governance. If you govern well, nobody will bother you. No, your President William Ruto, TV every day questions about the government. So why shouldn't I ask questions about the account where I belong? Account yes, account yes, menyete. Savana wane bakine. Chibese kitali ekyomuntu binafsi tali Arati tali ane tali yonde ekine chibese cheto une collective yomugusi. Shouldn't we ask questions? Ora bana mwana ominto ora musani oeroli omotebi roli eminyoka iga okoli abana bana barusi school nandira ne woje onyole roli iyo yeboboiri iga sale kogenda oli okale Machakos tokumubona ngikiagara kwenda Machakos rika kwale ngobera ga Nairobi ominyoka ensa so mwana wasoma osomyo gorwale bone musocho ogenda so mwana wasoma ali town umwerenika ngio mundara ndeberinga no yubisi oji no akorora. These are the issues. egasi yane is not to clap and praise the governor, neither is it kumurwania. It is to tell him the truth that you are misgoverning the county, there are challenges in the county. Please look for clever people. Right now, nothing is working. How can you know status para when you have no budget? Because the budget never what that's why I'm asking for the budget. Supplementary, I don't have it. And I'm the oversight officer. That's why I'm calling at the government to budget senate. Budget conjuro ki budget ba vekire na linda rore kire ward. Kuna wana na igweta bantu bakwa terango manyete oversight team we kwa vekire usiengi ma ngekorane segi utageze gochaka gabana ngobuli segi ki segi asia totera chaka tigatora akorera bande gas segi ki ekiagera chibese kire godie kwahewa ngo chigutangasa ande nirenga chibese chiega chiwene to kokora ngo chinde gutangasa irenga gas kiye gokora onyomo omo MCA karo chenge ward ya mbuyere njengo jantebe chibese cyari suppose correct nechi egentondo chi yakoliru onya abantu bakobeka marobe para. Are you telling me that injikuno mumoima I'm not supposed to ask? Ekere na aleko kali ngo mujumbe kugitu cyaje south na aleko kora chipara abantu nabo bakanga kire simi bambolinga nkieke mwatokorera abantu bande turochi bamolete amaroba kurumugondo bakaruga no moro. There's nothing wrong somebody telling you that the work is not good, because it means you pick and improve. So it has nothing to do with anybody telling me sasa nje ngo tenana the president ninga nona bantu base ino kwalikira wasigisi mona na intara tulikira abande nga kwani ena makose kana kuboli yo musiyakazi na banga governor up confirm abantu approve ali babone to konyora chi promotion tako victimize abantu tiga abantu bakolegasi because weika county government yegendere ongwae na rueto naye gwachire naye gocha koruo muntu ni gocha kopikiali na bese county government yaro setu okubugulia abantu abanya kogendera naye onde nando gocha nera koreki era bwatero budget ya very doctored. Those are the people who have stood the ground, and this is I will stand the ground to talk about Chibesa Chomuzi. A county government, I will say thank you. You are doing an excellent job. Keep it that way. On your walk and basari tata rose list jauya. Ntagetonge list ya marieto abantu ende basari from every ward ya abantu mbalenga ntagetoba ntebia kiromo kibesa ire na ande ntagetonyoro kibesa chi account chichiete inere gasiane toli konde tere list nga soma ka chingo bingo twarule basari gasiane no koenda nkomino ngingo chekie bintu ekiagara besa tebuwa tibuso kuisiko gaiga ebesa ne kiromo sacha kolikino mukungu ekeroro chichirori chi account ogenda ali account unanje ngarango etali account madaba abantu bande bakoranga turabaliri emashini ongwa golete yoko lima mache ekwete oboli espeta gete elusalu sabini erori ya mache ne yemo yoka erori ya mache tubwate ne yemo na anyolere information edona ya rule chirori nye chiwo te chi amaje chikolende merero ego abantu kare kiyomba chikoya edone yi yabekire barigire Moses kuria obaire exemption kozie chiroli chi amaje chikobe miake nenge tadiroli uragole 3 years. Some of those vehicles have lasted even 60 years kozi siko chikoroso ne biome binge na andi chikokolega asiendito. Moses kurio mo minister akabo musacha boli akachenjirichi ukakala chiroli nye chiche usi. What happened? Nama ya kolete ruli ruwe ngoro kiwa buno mondo yorenge dona agote ruunga ero chiroli kinto chitageti. Why? Because chibese chiasa betu 14 million chiwende kokora oko ship chikwerende chiko cha Kenya na kokora documentation ne bintu binde. Why? Because yo muntu naro go claim ngange tende iyo nero etwe. So should I not ask these things? I have letters. Eso mondolo supply chiroli yako mbolinga. I was donating these things. The amount of money that I'm asking, which again a county government ekaruli irube diga ask yo muntu akole evaluation yechiroli echinye chiamaji chi suppose kuja kokonya abantu case umuliro town was emergency ebe abantu bakaenda bakakora bakateba chiroli echi chonsinye chibagere chibese 14/4 ile ngo wethikiroli egole mpaka ikegusi is about 3 million, my brother. All right, ekero governor ngwa golete roli entangani ya mache chibezere ngachire 74 million na chiaka nitaka gole roli mugwate gusigali na ande deni nero ya 32 million itaraka so roli liteli yeito omanyana atagoja oyepike na auction ya abaraki. Why would you refuse or you coordinate nje na harengo maybe ntonkolete kwa? Shouldn't I ask that question, my brothers? Am I unreasonable? I am not unreasonable.